This video will go over how to find a few basic pieces of climate information from our web page. So if you start at our home page, you'll want to click on the climate and past weather tab at the top of the page. That's going to bring you to a page that looks similar to this, and we'll start with just a few of the basic products that we produce. The first is going to be called the Daily Climate Report. It's the first bullet point here. We produce this product for 4 different climate locations across our area: Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Huron, and Mitchell. So you'll want to just click the city that you're interested in. We'll start with Sioux Falls for this example, and then you'll want to choose the date that you're interested in. So we'll just say we're interested in November 1st of 2019. Once you have all those options selected, you want to click the Go button here. It's going to pop up a new window with all of the climate information for November 1st of this current year, 2019. And again, it's going to have the high and low temperature, the record temperatures for that date, what the normal temperatures are for that date, and similarly that same information for precipitation and snowfall. If you scroll further down on the page, it's also going to have the wind information, so the highest wind speed that was recorded on the date that you're interested in, and it even has a sunrise and sunset information or times at the bottom of the page, as well as the normal and record temperatures for the upcoming day. If you're interested for information over more of a month time frame, you can click the second bullet point here, the preliminary monthly climate data. And again, select the city you're interested in. For this example, we'll use Sioux City. And then you'll just want to choose the month you're interested in. So we'll choose October 2019. Again, you'll click the Go button, and it's going to bring up another window with a table with a lot of different numbers, a lot of different information available through this product. The first column is going to be the day of the month. Again, we're looking at October for this example. The second column is the high temperature. The third column is the low temperature. There's some additional information in columns 3 through 6 there. Column 7 is going to be how much liquid water fell that day. So that'd be just the liquid equivalent of water. The next column at 8 there is going to be how much snow fell on that day. So you can see a couple trace amounts of snowfall on the 10th and 11th. The snow depth is column 9, around sunrise of that day. And then there's some wind information as well as weather information and peak wind. If you scroll further down on this page, there's also some information over the entire month. So for instance, how much precipitation fell over the entire month, the average temperature over the month, and also any records that were broken during that month. Another way to look at monthly summarized climate data is to click the monthly weather summary, and that is the 4th bullet down. And we'll use Huron as the example. Again, we'll just choose October of 2019, and this product isn't going to list every individual day of the month, but it will list the summarized data from the month. So what the highest temperature was during that month, the lowest temperature, again, precipitation over that month, and any snowfall that may have fallen, average wind directions and speeds, and highest wind direction and speeds. So that's just some additional information that you can find for the month. There's a few different options, additional options here on the left-hand side, or the 3 that we went over there are probably the most common.